Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about how to live off dividend stocks. If you ever been curious about how to make your portfolio work for you by living off dividend stocks, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to build an income stream from investing in dividend stocks. First, it's essential to understand what a dividend stock is. A dividend stock is a type of stock that pays a cash dividend to shareholders on a regular basis. This can range from quarterly payments to yearly payments. The dividend is based on a percentage of the stock price, so the higher the price, the larger the dividend payment. Once you understand what a dividend stock is, the next step is to look for stocks that pay a good dividend. The key here is to look for high-yielding stocks with a good track record of paying dividends. You should be aware of the company's performance since it can affect the dividend payments. One example of a high dividend stock is JPMorgan Chase. As one of the most stable financial companies in the world, this is a reliable source of earning stock. The current dividend rate is around 4.21%, which is quite high by today's standards. Additionally, dividends are paid out on a quarterly basis, which can help you supplement your other incomes. Another great stock with high dividends is ExxonMobil. This is one of the largest oil companies in the United States, and it has been paying dividends for years. The current dividend rate for the company is around 7.94%, which is the highest of any stock discussed today. Additionally, this company is one of the most reliable investments due to its long-term stability. Next, you will need to set up a regular investing plan. This means investing a predetermined amount into dividend stocks every month or every quarter. This will help ensure you are putting enough money away to create an income stream you can live off of. If you can reinvest your dividends each quarter in the beginning, you can create exponential growth. You also want to diversify your investments. You should aim to have your dividend stock portfolio spread across different sectors and industries so you have less risk of losing your investments. Finally, you will need to be patient. Investing in dividend stocks is a long-term process, and it's important to remember that your dividend payments may not be substantial at first, but it's worth the wait as your income will grow over time. If you follow these steps, you will be on your way to having a steady passive income stream from dividend stocks. All you have to do is be patient, do your research, and have a regular investing plan. And you will be able to build a strong portfolio that you can live off of. To learn how to make passive income streams online, check out this video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your investments. Bye!